Here are five reasons to switch to Home Assistant, why 1 million users made the move. This one is for Home Assistant users. Let us get straight into it. Number 1, you own everything. No subscriptions, no clouds, no corporate dependency. When Samsung kills SmartThings, your HA setup still works. Your data stays on your hardware, never leaves your home. Number 2, works with everything. 3,000 plus integrations, including devices others refuse to support. Broken official apps don't matter. HA has a community integration. Zigbee, Z-Wave, Matter, Wi-Fi, all in one place. Number 3, automations with real logic. Conditions, templates, scripts. It's a real automation engine, not if this, then that. Proper multi-step logic with conditions. Complex flows that Google Home and Alexa literally can't do. Number 4, works without internet. All Zigbee and Z-Wave automations run 100% locally. Power cut your router. Your lights and locks still work. Cloud outages don't matter when your home is fully local. Number 5, free forever. Core features are entirely free. No limits, no trial period. HA Cloud is optional at $650 a month for remote access only. No other platform gives you this much for zero ongoing cost. Home Assistant is the only smart home platform you truly own. Install it on a Raspberry Pi 4 for under $60. Total cost forever. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.